Hi, we're going to take a look at congruent polygons today. So we have two triangles here. I'm told that these triangles are congruent to each other. We need to figure out what x and y are. So when we're dealing with congruent polygons, we want to make sure that our angles match up with certain angles. So if I say A and D are the same, cool. Both these angles are 45. B and E are the same. Both these angles are 40. And then C and F, these are both the same, 95 and 95. Now, we have to use that, figure out what x is. So we can create an equation for that. So we'll say 5x minus 5 equals 95. Because when we're dealing with congruent triangles or congruent figures, each angle matches up with another angle, each side matches up. So let's talk about the angle first. Okay, we got that. Let's get inverse operations and take care of that x. So we add 5, giving us 5x equals 100. Divide both sides by 5, and x is 20. Great. So I can take that, I can plug it in there. If I were to check it out, 5 times 20, going to be 100, minus 5, gives us that 95. So it works out. Now, I want to find my sides match up. So I can say AB matches with DE. AB matches with DE, both those are 20. BC matches with EF. BC and EF are the same, so both of these are 15. Let's create an equation there, but I'm going to run into a little bit of a problem. X minus y is the same thing as saying 15. Now I'm dealing with two variables here. I need to take what I used here, plug that in, and then figure out what that y is. So we know x is 20 minus y equals 15. Let's get y alone. We're going to have something strange happening here. Negative y equals negative 5. So this is not our answer. This does not say y equals. It says negative y. So we still need to get rid of that. And besides, how can you have a side that's negative, a negative length? So we need to get rid of that negative. Think of it as if it says negative 1 there. We divide both sides by negative 1, leaving us with y equals positive 5, and that makes much more sense. If I were to take x and y, so 20 minus 5, you're left with that 15. And that is using congruent polygons.